My name is Tangerine, and I'm honored to perform the ceremony joining Kiril and Nicole Dagalia in the legal state of matrimony under the authority given by the province of British Columbia. Today is a celebration, and a wedding is the best type of celebration because it's a celebration for the rest of you too. And you're more than just witnesses to this ceremony, you are their support system. And we're here to witness Kiril and Dagalia taking the ultimate leap of faith, marriage. And the most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person who completes you and who makes the world a beautiful place. And today we are here to witness taking the ultimate leap of faith. Marriage is more than just vows. It's a choice to trust the person you love and to take their hand and leap into the future not knowing what might come next. And it's risking who we are for the sake of who we can be. And it's not only marrying the right person, it's being the right partner. Today we celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts, two lives, and two loves. In being loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. And love isn't perfect, and love is work, but most of all, it's realizing that you're doing it together, every minute, every day, and every month. If you have love in your life, it can make up for a lot of things that are missing. And if you don't have love in your life, it's just not enough. And maybe it's simple as finding the person you just want to spend the rest of your life with. And now if you could join hands. And Kiril, if you could repeat after me. I solemnly declare
that
I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Kiril, may not be joined in matrimony to Nicole. And Nicole, if you could repeat after me. I solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Nicole, may not be joined in matrimony to Kiril. And I'm going to ask you each 3 questions. And Kiril, you first. You take Nicole as your partner for life.
Yes.
And will you love her and comfort her and honor her and keep her in sickness and health for as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
And will you be faithful to her
yes.
as long as you both shall live? And Nicole, I'm going to ask you the same questions. Would you take Kiril as your partner for life?
Yes.
And will you love him and comfort him and honor him and keep him in sickness and health for as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
And will you be faithful to him?
Yes.
And now we're going to have the ring exchange. Now, Kiril, if you could place the ring in Nicole's left hand. Is there another ring in there?
Yeah, let's just make sure it's even.
I haven't done this in a while.
That's okay. And so you go first, and you place the ring on her left hand. Look at her and repeat after me. As a sign of my love,
As a sign of my love,
I've chosen you
I've chosen you
above all else.
above all else.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
with the pledge
with the pledge
to love you forever
to love you forever
and to remind you
and to remind you
I'm always there for you.
I'm always there for you.
And now it's your turn to place the ring on his finger. And if you could repeat after me and look at him. As a sign of my love,
As a sign of my love,
I've chosen you above all else.
above all else,
And I give you this ring
and I give you this ring
with the pledge
with the pledge
to love you forever
to love you forever
and to remind you
and to remind you
I'm always there for you.
I'm always there.
And your wedding rings are a circle, and they're a symbol of love never ending. And when you look at these rings on your hands, be reminded of this moment and the love that you feel for each other. Now, if there's something that you want to say to each other, your vows?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will start.
All right.
Today, I stand before you, promising to love, cherish, and support you for all the days of our lives. I vow to be your partner in laughter and tears, in joy and sorrow, always by your side through thick and thin. With every beat of my heart, I promise to be faithful and loyal, to honor and respect you as we journey through life together. I pledge to listen to you with an open heart, to communicate honestly and openly, and to build a future filled with love and understanding. As I take your hand in mine, I commit to being your rock, your shelter, and your constant source of love and strength, now and forevermore.
Your turn.
So it's my turn. To my Kiril, thank you for swiping right. And reminding me that love stories can look a lot of different ways, and almost always they turn out different and even better than we expect them to. Today, I vow to love you even when you leave the dishes in the sink. Not to hit you too hard when you're snoring in the night. We always share the last slice of pizza. I tell you often that you are my answered prayer, with God as our witness. I commit to honor and love you, to be faithful and supportive. I promise to pray for you and with you, to seek His guidance in our journey together. With His blessings, we will face every challenge, knowing that our love is built on the foundation of faith. I love you forever, and I'm so blessed that you are mine. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, that's lovely. And now, I ask you both to promise to stand by each other's side in good times and bad, and have the capacity to forgive and forget, and never go to sleep angry. And remind yourselves often what brought you together. And love each other without reservation. And laugh and cry together. And many years from now, may you look at each other and say, I'm loving every day with you. And now, by the vows you've exchanged from this moment forward, you are no longer two, you're one. And there's a wonderful life ahead of you. And keep your home full of laughter and surround yourself with wonderful friends and family. And that's the way you'll have an amazing life. And now, by the power invested in me by the province of British Columbia, I now declare you officially married, husband and wife.
Kiss, kiss.
Well, I practice this.
Oh, that's a nice picture. Wonderful. And now you have to sign. You have to sign the documents.
Get your pen.
I'm just going to put a copy of the ceremony in your little packet. Okay. So now, Kiril, if you could sign the first X right there. One more time. Right there. And Nicole. And one more time. You can sign this. And now the witness. Where's Thomas? Over. Oh, you like some pins. And Thomas, one more time. Where's Tony? Yes, one more time. Okay, they're officially married. This did it.
Congratulations.
So I'm going to send that into the government immediately, and you'll get your official certificate in the mail in about 2 weeks.
Cute, oh, it's your horse naman. Go na. Go, take a photo in the horse.
Take a photo with, Thomas. Just you and Thomas.
What?
Kiril and Thomas. We're all together. Gusto niya kayo na lahat.
Okay, I'll just take a photo.
Maya na. Uy, I got the bouquet. Oh my god. I am gonna marry soon.
Hang on. Wait, what? What?
You propose. You propose to me.
Propose again.
Oh, you picture us na.
Yeah.
Let's take a photo with Ed. Aray ko, so lamig.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
You can have.
Wow!